Hello everyone, wishing you a lot of joy in the new day. It's me again, Leonardo AI. Continuing today, we continue to use Leonardo AI to make logos for the purposes of creating YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, or selling for platforms or advertising. As I instructed in the previous video, if you do not have a registered account, please visit the link I have attached to my comment below or in the description to access your browser. And register for access by email. I have video instructions in advance. And back to the main topic today, I will create a logo with you to create a brand for you. First, let's go to Pixabay to look at some logos to get ideas. Here, please enter the word logo to see samples. There are quite a few logo templates here, and we'll browse around to find the one we like. Usually when you create a logo size, choose 500 by 500 pixels square size. I will find a logo for the SPA brand and see which model is suitable for me to take. And I chose this template and downloaded it. Remember the square size for the logo. Next, go back to Leonardo AI. Go to the Image Creation tab. In the Prompt Entry section, enter the logo and color characteristics or words for the brand you need to create. Here I have an existing logo, but I will recreate it to show you the process. In this word ATM, I will replace it with another word Purkoi. Next, please check the colors you want to create according to your preferences. Here I chose the colors yellow and red for my logo. To have a logo, please go to this section to choose the logo style you need to create. This is method 1 for choosing the style available in AI. And I will choose this style. After we have the logo creation style, we start executing the image creation command. And wait. Default text. You have seen some logo images, now you can choose. After reviewing, I found there were still shortcomings and added the word SPA accordingly and repeated the steps as before to check if the new template is more suitable. Remember to select the square icon again and continue with the image creation command and keep waiting. Now it has created a number of templates for you to choose from. It's quite beautiful, guys. Next, let's do the second way, which is to create a logo according to the photo style we have chosen. Then I uploaded the photo I selected earlier and downloaded it from Pixabay. And I want to simplify the branding a bit so that the logo can be seen more clearly. And keep waiting. Do you guys think this time is quite more refined and I will choose which model is okay? It's really great and fast. Please click on each photo to see. I will download each photo to compare and decide for the brand. Okay, today's video I will stop here. Next day I will show you some other features to create a beautiful logo and follow the template I just chose, guaranteed not to overlap with anyone, but extremely personal. If you feel the content is valuable, please give me a subscribe, like, share button so I can be motivated to create good videos to share experiences with you. Goodbye and see you again.